Start. Sir, I would like to tell you that the search and seizure is being done by the special court at Mumbai stop. If an offense is committed, say in Andhra Pradesh, the special court in Andhra Pradesh should be taken cognizance of the offense. The trial will be conducted on a day to day basis. Stop. But this bill provides that a portion of the power with regard to search and seizure will be given to a special court at Mumbai stop. So, when search and seizure is questioned on the ground of jurisdiction, Mumbai court has no jurisdiction. Stop. When there is a special court to try the same offense under the same act, I have my own doubt whether it will affect the prosecution. Stop. That is my first point. Stop. Sir, you know about the RBI Act of 1934. It provides that the power of search and seizure is given by a magistrate. Stop. Sir, now it provides that it can be given by a magistrate or a special court at Mumbai. Stop. It must be within the local limits as provided in the RBI Act 1934. Stop. Para. Sir, my second point is that in the bill it has been provided that the trial will be conducted by a special public prosecutor, and the bill itself provides that the public prosecutor must be appointed in terms of section 2U of the Code of Criminal Procedure. Stop. Sir, section 2U of the Code of Criminal Procedure itself provides that if a person is appointed as a public prosecutor, he should have a practice of not less than 10 years. Stop. Sir, this bill provides that the person who has been in practice for not less than 7 years can be appointed. Stop. But in the same bill, they provide that the public prosecutor should have a practice of 10 years as provided under 2U. Stop. This has to be considered. Stop. It further goes to say the person who has held the post for a period of not less than 7 years under the union or a state. Stop. This means that a person who is not in practice but who has held the post under the state government or the central government can be appointed. Stop. Para. Sir, now we have the process of disposal of a case before a special court by appointing a special public prosecutor. Stop. So, a person who has been in active practice as a special public prosecutor alone can conduct, but not the person who has held a post in the state or the central government. Stop. This is my second point. Stop. Para. Sir, my third point is with regard to similar acts which are prevailing in various states. Stop. Sir, I wish to state that there are about 3 such acts. Stop. One is in the state of Tamil Nadu itself. Stop. The other ones are in Maharashtra and Puducherry. Stop. We have special acts to protect the innocent public. Stop. Para. With regard to investment schemes, we have the Tamil Nadu Protection of Interests of Depositors in Financial Establishments Act. Stop. Sir, In the same way, it is also there in the state of Maharashtra and in Puducherry. Stop. Validity of all these acts has been upheld by the Supreme Court. Stop. I wish to state to the Honorable Minister that there might be a clash of jurisdiction between the center and state legislations as it has occurred in the case of Puducherry Act, where an attachment of a property was made under the Sarfasi Act, and at the same time an attachment was also made under the Depositors Act. Stop. Sir, the Supreme Court held that the attachment under the Depositors Act would prevail. Stop. Therefore, the bill must make this point clear. Stop. Though there is an application under section 32, it is also provided that the provisions of this act shall be in addition to and not in derogation of any other law enforced. Stop. However, there is no clarity on the point that under what circumstances the cases can be taken under the States Act and under what circumstances cases can be taken under this act. Stop. Para. Sir, I would like to make one suggestion. Stop. If a case is registered under the State Act, this bill provides that the defaulter himself can come and can get a consent order. Stop. When a case is registered under the State Act, will this bill prohibit such a person to come and get the consent order with regard to the amount that has been paid to the investor? Stop. There is a clash and we need clarity on this aspect also. Stop. Thereafter, I wish to state that in this bill, a list of negative offences can also be mentioned which cannot be closed on the basis of consent order, because the statute should provide a list of serious offences. Stop.